Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Instagram app right here. And once we open our Instagram app, the next thing that we need to do is to go on to the horizontal line right here on the top right corner. Click it. After that, scroll down until you hide story and live. Click it and then click this again. The next thing that we need to do is to select all of our followers so that they won't be able to see our story once we post on Instagram. Click done, and then let's go back again right here on the home page and then click this story icon right here. And then after that, just choose the picture that you want to post on your story, and then let's click this one right here. And then after that, click share, and then click add to highlights. After that, click add again, and then you are now done. So click this, and then let's go here again on the home page. So as you can see, we're now on these highlights, but it won't notify your followers. So make sure once you're done with this is to go again on the settings and make sure that you unmute all of your followers so that the next story of your account, they will not be able to see it again. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.